years when his son was old. They left paradise and descended upon the earth. Adam was sad and Eve was crying. Allah accepted their repentance because it was sincere, and He told them that the earth would be their realm and origin where they would live and die and whence they would come on the day of judgment. Allah the Almighty recounted this third lesson Adam learned in paradise. Indeed, we made a covenant with Adam before, but he forgot, and we found on his part no firm willpower. Remember when we said to the angels, prostrate yourselves to Adam? They prostrated, all except Iblis, who refused. Then we said, O Adam, verily, this is an enemy to you and to your wife. So